right. Good morning, class. Okay. All right. So with this lab, the spectrum diffraction lab that you are going to do, you should have your lab papers out. The stations are set up around the room. Get rid of the sunglasses. All right. The stations are set up around the room, and I've kind of put on the board the things that you need to do. Research. And do the research on the diffracting gradient. Get rid of the earbuds. Yes, ma'am. Get rid of the earbuds. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You found the paper, I take it.
No, I need one too.
Okay.
This season.
Okay. You're welcome. All right. All right. I don't know, but you want paper?
Well, I thought you gotta see something.
Yeah. Let me put that up.
Where my iPad is?
Hold up. Put
Is
that up.
mine?
Okay. So what you all are going to do is the lab. When I say lab, you know what? Take the hoodie off. Okay. All right, so station 1 is here. Station 2, station 3, station 4, station 5. All right, you know, station 1 goes outside. This is what we are going to do for the colors in here. You're going to find that you have color pencils. Okay. You should get all the colors of the spectrum. Each person will have their own set of colors. Go through here, find the colors of the spectrum, get the colors of the spectrum, and those are the pencils that you are going to use throughout this lab. Okay? Then, secondly, whatever station you start at, you are going to have the diffracting gradients here for that. You will use these diffracting gradients throughout. Wherever you pick them up, they go with you. You will not have diffracting gradients at the station. You got earbuds in your ear. So I need to say something. Okay.
Well,
Okay. So you will get the diffracting gradient from your starting station, and when you get back, after you finish rotating to all 5 stations, you will put the diffracting gradients back to that station. Any questions? Any questions?
no, ma'am.
Okay, you understand what you're going to do? All right, so after you do your research, I give you about 10 minutes to go through and do the research on there. You will write, you be sure you read the entire lab. And after reading the lab, based on your research and the lab, write a testable question. Once you write a testable question, you're going to write your hypothesis from your testable question. You can improve it, yes. Fine. Okay. You're going to write your testable question. You're going to answer, write your hypothesis, being sure to write out what is being tested, how is it being tested, and what is the expected outcome. And once you write out that information and you answer those questions, you will then do your hypothesis. And what does your hypothesis start with? You know I'm not going to accept spiral notebook paper. You already know I'm not going to accept spiral notebook paper.
Ma'am,
I'm not going to accept spiral notebook
what's
paper.
my little paper?
Okay. All right. Being sure that your hypothesis starts with if that, then. So you put your conditions in your hypothesis, the hypothesis, what is being tested and how is it being tested. That's your if part of your hypothesis. The then part of your hypothesis is what you expect to happen. What is the expected outcome? Okay, so you will write your hypothesis there. Keep the first diffracting gradient, I will repeat. Wherever you are, wherever you're starting at with your team, you will be in teams of 2, maybe 3. 9. Teams of 3. All right, wherever you're starting from in teams of 3, you will have, you will keep the diffracting gradients. You will keep them, and then when you come back to for your rotation, you will then put them, return them, okay? So that you'll have the same refraction. And your fingerprints, however you handle them, that's how they will be yours, okay? For right now. Okay. Then each person should get their colors. Get your own set of colors. How many colors should you have? 7. 7 primary colors. Okay? So you should have the 7 primary colors. All right? Okay. Any questions?
Oh, you was with Lauren.
Pardon me? I know. It's okay.
Did you give us our something back? You just like.
Cause it had my, with my new hypothesis.
Well, yes, because you're gonna end up improving the diffracting rate.
Are we gonna get a new sheet like the one we had before?
Nope, you're gonna improve that sheet.
Oh, really? But like,
I figure you that way you could end up learning what it is you did wrong on there,
So understand
and
this redraft.
you might get a
but
better.
mine had already like 2 on it. It's not gonna be enough space for one.
Then put it on a sheet of notebook paper. Put on a sheet of loose notebook paper. Pardon? Oh, you can put it on here. You can put it on here.
That's not how you let it.
All right, get your 7 colors, get the 7 primary colors.
That's not how she acts.
Get your 7 primary colors.
Hey, Nyla, you want to, man? I mean, Nyla. Thank you.
Okay.
What the hell? Oh my God, my ring.
Okay.
So we got this recruit as well.
Okay, you don't want them sharp.
Give me a quick word.
They are? I don't like big lines. Red. Big what? Big lines.
I'm not.
Go back. But I knew you were.
Oh, I asked you that. I asked you that.
Big lines. I'm blind. I had to do a 9 my whole life. I ain't thought that girl was looking. I went to elementary school with her, middle school with her, no, you're not doing it. Yeah. You been at the same school.
I'm living in the pleasant.
And with it,
So I'm looking at really for one too. Hey, not you are blessed. I just thought that was a funny thing. Like,
if you can say, go around the boys and beat with the strap off their pocket with them around.
boy. Y'all making it exactly like this?
Huh?
Y'all making it exactly like this?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
What? it. I thought we went to our record. Carmen, come on.
Oh, no. You are being researched, so I'm gonna let you know who you're working with.
Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Bro, what is, I don't know. What is that thing? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
So Nevaeh, Imani, and Nyla, Makai, Michaela, and Cyron, Connor, Anaya, and Lauren.
Oh,
Hey, Lauren.
Those are your groups.
Why we just can't have the same people?
Because we had the same new hypothesis, like our group. I thought we had it. That would make
Why
more
we just
sense.
can't have.
Great minds think alike. No,
Miss
no,
Caesar.
they don't.
No, they don't.
Miss Caesar.
I think it's very working.
Oh. No.
Oh, Miss Caesar.
The name.
Miss Caesar, may you please sharpen this one? You have the slate to you? I had to.
Yeah, let's try to. That looks like my pencil anyway.
I got it out of you.
It looks like my pencil. Okay. You can go and sharpen, you go and pen. You need to exercise, go ahead. All right. Oh, since we have our groups, Connor, Anaya, and Lauren, Makai, Michaela, and Saran, Nevaeh, Imani, and Nyla. Okay.
Do I not have a red pen? When do I got a red pen?
Station.
Right, coastal. I need a ruler too. Yeah, I cannot go there.
All right. All right. Imani, just come on over here and y'all can start from this point.
We got station one. Station one.
Okay, station one, that's fine.
Thank you.
Connor, Anaya, and Lauren. All right. Anaya, Lauren, and y'all can go back to the station 4. And then, you all can start using station. Okay.
Can I put this in somebody's thing? Wow. Oh.
Very nice of you. You wasn't looking at that. You're great. What color am I? You're
Okay. I only need about 5 minutes to do the research, and then I'll give you another 5 minutes to get your testable question. And then-
You gotta make a whole new.
You should just improve. I mean,
I can't improve my.
we talked about it before.
I don't have my.
We talked about the testable question, we talked about the hypothesis.
So we need a whole new test.
Oh, I do want
And
to.
if you, the testable question is, okay, keep it. Okay? If your testable question is sufficient, then okay,
But like, how about it?
all right? But some people's testable questions were not. Everybody's gotta have their own set of color pencils. Huh?
Continue to do something.
Oh,
But so do you have the conclusions or no?
Coming?
You have the conclusions?
Oh, where is he?
No.
No, I need to get a suitcase.
they can't read. Man, I thought it was good.
Okay.
That's not too long. Yellow.
Yup, yellow.
I like that. Who do it? What's the color?
The color.
Oh,
Well, I don't even remember mine. Right?
that's too much.
Nice.
Oh, that's my sweetie.
So sweet.
Okay, love.
Girl, stop.
Who? You. What I do? Hey, my little sweetie. It's a thing I just start saying, sorry.
Sweetie. You just do one.
Like, you talk to the picture.
What happened?
Talk to the picture.
Yellow. Yellow. It's nice, bro.
Feel free. Feel free.
Now, what would you do? There ain't no
You
reason.
a choice. Come on.
I was trying to get
You need more choice.
It's not here.
What's in your ear?
The pizza. The pencil ones are right with the hair.
Let me see if I got another one.
I just got it.
Oh, wow.
That means your hair is protecting your face.
Lauren. I didn't do that to you the first time. But you do it directly.
Okay, I really are. What happened?
What happened?
Strong picture. Nobody's talking.
What they have for us today? What do you want to get? So we want to Jamaica.
I feel like they have to.
Okay. You see all the kids with they speak English?
No,
I mean,
I want to go to blue shorts and crop tops. No, I don't know.
Based on what you've learned already, right? Based on what you know, what's a good testable question for all the stations? Because some of you had to change it, right? Okay, so tell me what it is, a good testable question.
But then again, there's the word soup. Everybody got that in there.
If we go on a trip, I can do that.
But today,
I'm not Johnny.
I don't know what they
Put my answer right here.
So who saved the money? You still not going? Oh, no, I don't think we're doing that. Yeah, we can. So good, right?
wait, you didn't get that.
Yeah, our research friend.
Okay.
Don't move right now.
Oh, yeah, for this.
Okay,
Will that work, though?
so let me know when you get your hypothesis. So that can be checked, and by
I'll get it.
12 o'clock, we should be ready to rotate the station.
Okay.
You got the one outside, swimming season?
That starts in here at Station One.
Oh.
Okay.
You trying to throw it, can't you?
Why do you always say bless you like that?
But I said, well,
Bless me, bless me,
let's,
to be perfectly.
oh, I recognize that every day isn't given to everybody. So I had to come up with a positive saying to encourage myself after my brother rested forever. So I said, I'm rested because he left me when he was 41. So that's my way of encouraging me.
To keep perfectly.
I said it mean like to keep breathing.
Oh, who's breathing? I'm breathing. I'm breathing. I still got breath persistence in my body. And so since I still got breath persistence in my body, I tend to say thank you for it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, makes sense?
Mhm.
Okay.
How much you bringing?
It makes sense to me.
Wait a minute.
I got green.
Once you can drink, where my seven?
And I got PC.
Oh.
You need to sharpen right there. The one that got the color. Right there. Yeah. Thank you.
You got the new test question now. We got wrote it in our thing. We wrote it. We got wrote it. Wait, what's my book test? Yes. Very good. If you have a thank you. So this is No, man. Well, I had to put that around here.
I didn't really want to say it.
Dang, what's the car?
Ma'am,
Oh, you in the living of people.
oh, yeah.
Woo, live in my car.
Why am I living at 17? I don't do nothing here.
I'm talking about my car.
I don't do anything in here.
All right, you got 4 minutes. And then we're gonna start with the rotation.
Yeah, about a minute.
No, I leave about 5.
Connor, you are so successful in her
Scummy thingy.
life.
Now, why do I turn out the lights?
So that way there's no interference.
Pardon me? Lauren?
So that way there's no interference.
Because what?
So that way there's no light interference.
Interference with the lights of day.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I don't know, my ears just didn't hear that. Okay, yes, interference from the lights. From, what kind of lights are above up there? Yes. Fluorescent lights. And we have a fluorescent light station, correct? Okay, so station 1 deals with sunlight. Station 2 is the incandescent light. Station 3 are your fluorescent lights. Station 4 is your candle light. Station 5 is your iPad. Okay? Now, if you can make station 5 as dark as you possibly can, that would work. That way you'll end up getting a truer picture of the diffraction gradient that you're going to need to get. Two minutes.
Oh, we gotta rewrite it?
What is this?
What's the question?
You can look.
I can revise it and make it better. By changing the word.
Exactly. Make it move.
I'm gonna change the word. I'm gonna improve my hypothesis, make it even truer.
And what's your hypothesis, Lauren?
Oh, my hypothesis was,
Wait a minute, give me a testable question first.
my question was with different types of light sources, will the light sources generate different spectrums?
Okay,
And that was true.
okay, and what is your hypothesis?
If the sources of light, if the source of light is different, the spectrum will be different.
Alright, so that's testable, correct?
Yes, and it was superior.
Okay, so now you're going to see if you can repeat those results and get the same thing. Because that's what scientists do. They will repeat their results. They may get the one set of results and say, okay, this is it. But they have to go back and repeat it, and they will repeat it several times. It's just that when you're in school, you don't get to repeat it that much. Unless you're doing it one day. But
Have
anyway.
you been adding on class project?
That was so weird.
I'm sorry, I just thought about that. The was thinking before. Have we been receiving
No,
class
mine
project?
went up.
Oh,
Like, you know how-
no, when it acted up, no, I didn't give you your class dojo reports. I'm gonna have to go back and do that.
I remember you said you did, but
Yeah,
I remember you said you could use it.
That's not gonna go up. bro.
yeah.
You're
You're
not
gonna be able
able
to do
to.
that.
That's just how many points that.
Okay, don't worry, I'll go back, I can go back and add the dojo points and the days.
Is this a
But
good?
the internet, I found out what the problem was with the internet. The problem with the internet was the Ethernet cord was halfway out. So I had to, do a process of elimination. Once here, babe. Here, babe. Once the restart did not work, then I knew that there was something else that was the problem
Thank you.
with, hookup. So then I had to trial and error, try it out, let's see what happens. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. Station 1, let's go. All right, I don't know. Oh, you are the station 1. Okay, so you remember when you go outside, we don't look directly at the sun, we keep the sun at our back, okay? You see a diffraction grating. Okay, So- the sun is out here, we will keep the sun, at our back, and we would utilize this to see what the diffraction grating looks like, okay? And remember that if we put it on our nose, wow, we get to see the diffraction grating. And the color spectrum.
What story? The conclusion
Right.
presented.
This season.
Right. You see it? Okay, so that's what you would end up doing, that's what, and then if we use the one with the slit in it, and we do it, and we have to be sure that we're at the right angle. All right, I see it with the slit, but it looks a little differently than what it does there. So you all would interchange. There are 4 of them at the station, 2 with the slit and 2 without.
How you folded it?
How about if you fold it along the edges of the? That wasn't hard.
That inside.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Not hard at all. Okay. So we have Connor. Who else?
Is Miss Caesar, my testable question was,
Connor, Anaya, and Lauren. Yes, your testable.
it was, why does the type of light source affect the amount of colors in the spectrum with filters? So would my what's being tested be the spectrum?
Why does the amount of light? Why does the amount of light?
Why does the type of light
Why does the type of light source
affect the amount of colors in the spectrum with filters?
affect the amount of colors in the spectrum? So what is being tested? What do you say is being tested? What do you identify as being tested?
The amount of colors in the spectrum.
Okay, so you're looking at the amount of colors in the spectrum. How are you testing those colors in the spectrum?
By filtering different light sources.
By filtering different light sources. How are you using, what are you using to filter those different light sources? That's an
light
question. Huh?
The light filter.
Diffracting gradient. Okay, all right. Okay, yes, there was another question over here while I was addressing that question.
All right, I put a little piece of paper
Why?
for my testimony question.
Put it on back.
I can keep all this listed.
Okay, all right, this group here, out the door, and go draw your spectrum for you should have your colors, you got your colors? You got, everybody should have 7 colors. I said that. I see one person with 7 colors. Some fell on the floor.
I got my testimony. It's the whole thing with the information.
Okay, let's go out,
Yeah,
let's go out the door.
like,
Let's go with it. Okay, so I need this group to start back here at station 4. Connor, Lauren, and Anaya. Back here. That's a cute little baby.
I don't know how to do these shirts for a minute.
Let's move, please. God bless you.
Oh, yeah, that's
That's a tummy ball baby.
Where you get
That's,
that's what the size they had.
It's not just a tummy dressing like that.
I know. So where did y'all get the fingers from?
The,
There's a bracelet. Like, thank God, Mama's probably like,
Oh, so they were trying to show you what they
Yes.
look like at.
10 weeks. Saying, don't kill it. Keep it. Nurture it.
Okay.
See, they even do a little thingy.
Is this right along?
Move to your station, please.
Is this right along?
Now, next, I need, who's gonna start at station 5? Okay, get this. Okay,
Like my whole group, we have to have the same question and stuff.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Let's see how this is.
everybody don't want to think alike. I respect the differences. And you got earbud in your ear. In the
Are
bottom.
we supposed to keep the one that's originally in the box?
I need the earbuds. Since I mentioned new ones. Huh?
So could my expected outcome be like, the electronic screen will have less colors on their spectrum? And then my hypothesis be
What's your question again? What are you testing?
the amount of colors on their spectrum and how it's being tested by filtering light from different sources.
Okay. So the amount of colors on spectrum is what's being tested. And what's your expected outcome?
I was gonna say, the spectrum that comes from the electronic screen will have less colors on
Where are you testing the amount of colors on the spectrum? How are you testing the, different sources? Okay. So, all right, okay. Okay. So you've identified one thing. All right. My brain says okay. Okay. My brain says okay. All right, so you all need the matches. I need to
We're
go
supposed
with
to
the
keep the ones in the box.
matches. Okay.
We're supposed to keep the.
Yeah, you gotta keep it dark and you gotta keep it away from the light because that was the problem.
I'm in the trace. We keep the trace.
No,
This is the light.
what part of that did you forgot last time you're gonna take it with you?
I don't know. So do we keep the ones that are in the box?
Yes. Yes.
We need to.
No. That means you have to share and rotate, right? Okay. I don't have my, I gotta get my out.
So, Ms. Cecil, could my hypothesis be if you filter the light, if you filter light from an electronic screen, then its spectrum will have less colors?
If you filter the light from an electronic screen,
Then its filter, its spectrum will have less color.
okay, what is that? That's your hypothesis? Your hypothesis doesn't include what you said before. All right. Because you didn't mention in your answer the electronic screen.
I did mention it.
Okay, what are you testing?
The amount of colors in the spectrum.
Okay, the amount of colors in the spectrum.
That's what you're testing.
How are you testing the amount of colors in the spectrum?
I'm filtering light from different sources.
By filtering light from different sources. So your conditions there are the spectrum and the amount of light, right? Those are your conditions, so those should be in the first quadrant.
So my expected outcome was the spectrum that came from the electronic screen had less color.
Okay,
So.
So-
Magical wind blow a candle out.
Wow.
okay. You see, in your hypothesis, you have to discuss what your answers were to the question. Am I making sense?
No.
You came up with a question, right? That's what it was. All right, let me get some water.
What's the rest of the color?
I don't understand how.
Oh, wait. Oh,
We all see different things.
I added the.
Look up, look up.
Y'all like the green and blue colors?
Okay,
No, I don't know. You have to work out the foot.
all right.
I see all the colors.
Okay, number one, you are going to have to get up close and personal, because the further you are away from that, and the more light that you let in,
No,
the more light that you let in, then the less confused.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Lord, guys, so scared just now.
I just heard you. I was like, what the heck?
Okay.
Excuse me, you didn't finish talking about my phone?
I am. I'm going to,
It's missing indigo.
huh?
It's missing indigo.
So everybody should then sit, and you should see, each one should try that spectrum. Okay. And see if they come up with the same thing. Okay. Y'all know this is the hardest station around here, and ain't nobody started working on this thing here. Okay.
I didn't get my hypothesis yet.
Okay. Talk to me.
Okay, my testable question. Why does the type of light source affect the amount of colors in a spectrum of the system?
Okay.
Then my what is being tested? The amount of colors in the spectrum. How is it being tested by filtering light from different sources?
Okay.
Expected outcome. The spectrum that comes from the electronic screen will have less colors.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
oh yeah, it's not
Blue.
If the amount of colors in a spectrum are being tested by filtering various light sources, then
the ones that come from the electronic screen.
the electronic screen will have the least amount of color. You see how you use all of your answers in your hypothesis? Okay, that's what you should do. Okay. All right, good job. That's a good one.
Always into, yeah.
So,
Mine sees that from the side with red. How do you see yours?
that's a good move, Sarah.
I was looking from this side, it's like purple.
I can't see anything.
It makes it darker. Good. I should utilize.
You said by diffracting grating, diffracting.
Diffracting rate.
Oh,
You just looking up and down.
No, we say the same thing. So she's saying, I'm saying red is this way first, right?
Yeah,
You're
red
saying,
is left.
you're saying violet is this way first, right?
Red
We're
is-
saying the same thing.
red is left, violet is right.
Yeah, we're just talking about
No, like, so what is this side? Violet is starting off the whole thing.
this way. It's going this way?
This way.
Oh,
How are you testing?
It's like how you got it. It's like that.
not like that. For this one.
I thought I'm not right.
Are you using what?
Look, can I see that?
Light sources.
Oh,
Using a spectrum, okay. What is your expected outcome?
where's your?
You smell smoke?
Yeah.
And they burn the candle and striking match. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Right. This one. Right. Because last year was no, we have which station? Which station? Which station?
What is your expected outcome?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I'm wrong? No, you're right.
What's your expected outcome?
No. Wait.
Okay, one thing you should do that I've asked you all to do numerous times, write the question out. What is being tested? How is it being tested? What is the expected outcome? Then write your answers out to that. Then I have something to go back to and say, oh, okay, this here, this. I don't have nothing to go back to, and then you go submit your answer. So, what is being tested? How is it being tested? And what is your expected outcome? Should be on your paper. Okay, we're gonna have to move. I guess I should put this over here.
Caesar.
This is time up. All right.
You had to look at the question.
Man, you would take sky blue as blue?
Honey,
Would you take sky blue as blue? Cause I can't find no dark blue.
What is that? The house that you tested?
dark blue.
What is that?
No, like.
Check and see, baby.
They took it out.
No, record. First I got wrong one.
So, you gotta get off the court.
Oh, you're kidding. What's her name?
Is it blue?
This is violet.
I'm only seeing about.
Maybe I want slick.
We all got dark blue over here. You got dark blue?
Oh, this right?
Alright, it'll work.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
You found a
Sir,
blue?
this does not have a slit.
You found a blue?
It's slit. What I got a slit down the middle.
All right,
Oh.
okay.
Okay, why would you use two different blues?
One is indigo, one is blue.
No, why would you use two different blues over there on the paper?
Huh?
You use two different blues.
It was?
Yeah.
Where?
Look, see, look at this. Look at this. This way.
Oh, blue. I don't think.
I didn't.
This is blue.
I think that was just nice.
I'm just saying, it's blue. And then you
Okay.
have violet.
My jacket is see-through. It's not even gonna take much light.
Okay. I need to go outside and check on those people out the door. See how they're doing.
The pockets are heavy, Michaela.
For
Pardon?
what?
The pockets are heavy, as you can tell.
Yes, you know.
You smell the way?
So do I start with answer just the question first or just answer what is next?
Where's my slit? Oh, wow.
Damn.
Dang.
Let's go. Mind your business. Look at that little shit.
Oh, she got me outside.
Turn it bright.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Michaela.
I can't, but yeah. I don't know why she don't leave. I know.
It's like a big white.
I think it's because I'm what? Oh, it's another candle over here.
No, I see your,
Do we need another
your
candle?
paper.
Do we need another candle?
Okay. What's the problem?
This
I was asking them if they need another candle.
No. Okay, I know her.
With my book extra, it's like with the after the red, orange, yellow, it's like a big white block. Is that like what is that supposed to? Oh,
I'm trying to get to see what you're seeing. Okay.
how to okay? So with my spectrum. Oh, I
Put it all the way back in there as far as you can.
No.
Well, I should get this. If I get a little bit in a system, I should just get my super.
Why do you need razor?
when you look at the spectrum, you can right.
Because for me, just go back.
It's like it's red, orange, and yellow. It's like
Bleaching is divided.
white block in the middle.
Okay, cover it, that's what you cover it,
Okay.
Dark violet.
okay?
Yes.
Because you shouldn't, you've already said that you expect something different.
That's blue.
I mean, you don't expect all the colors in the spectrum, right? You're gonna have to use that continuously, right?
Oh,
The
yeah.
next set, because you got 3 more colors to analyze. Okay. My last, I have to find you, do I need to find you a box that you can look into?
Yes, ma'am.
Praise the
I
Lord.
see red first one.
You're
I see red first.
joking.
How many interpret that essential?
So basically, with that white, with that white block, would that be what makes it like a bright line? Like so I just thought the white block I was talking about. Ow! I just got stabbed in my leg.
Put the parts up there.
Let's see, right?
It's a white
For the
thing.
rated scale spectrum, we kind of got
Hold that thought a minute.
Oh, with the white block.
No,
that's
just put them on top of.
in like in between the colors, right? Would that be what makes it a bright line?
Okay, so if you say SVD,
When I did the filter, it was red, yellow, red, orange, yellow. There's like a white block and then blue and purple. So with that white thing in there, would that be what makes it the bright line spectrum? So like
Okay, it
it's like
breaks up.
Yeah.
it breaks up, right? Okay, so the versus with a continuum spectrum, what do you get with a continuum? Are there breaks in it?
Oh, no.
No breaks, right? Okay, so the continuum spectrum has no breaks in it. And so, God bless you. The bright line spectrum is gonna have what? Okay, and the breaks may be,
Different colors. That's
yeah,
great.
well, it should be black, but that could be due to interference. Take it out, baby. Take it up there.
I need a black.
every time we put that we saw yellow, it was no. So everybody saw yellow.
So the outset, you get the conclusion,
So I'm
the
conservative.
outcome is the conclusion.
I'm conservative on this.
Okay.
Because
God bless you.
The
They-
light-
I'm looking back at my paper right now, and it says no for the, when you see yellow, it says no.
That's what you're.
God
That's
bless
nice to happy. They
Everybody sees something different. Why you gonna do it?
I know,
Okay.
right? That's what I said.
you.
Actually, I didn't get the yellow right off of this one.
Okay, you all have 2 minutes.
Whoa. Y'all got a light purple? What light purple?
I got violet, dark violet, which is kind of lighter than that violet, and a blue.
Wait, I can see that.
That'd be
Right?
good.
You saying was right first?
That'd be kind of good.
But that's still right.
Yeah. It's brown, like, so it looks good.
You see the one you use?
For indigo? I just use dark violet, that is, you want to like it.
think about Christian scripture.
Yeah.
They did. Thank you.
Black is,
Why was it bright red?
We need that bright light, bright, the right color.
you better read
We're
this.
right. Oh, I said, what
Okay, all right. Okay, So you have 1 minute left to finish up all that. Did you all blow the candle out?
Now we do.
Okay.
Negative.
Okay. Oh God, that smell of Vegas bothers me.
Every single one.
Ooh. Okay.
Trying to lay it off.
Why this guy look like he got junkie?
Everywhere.
Yeah, we had fun outside. We been out there chilling. Y'all been watching us through the window?
Yeah.
I know.
I mean, right there.
Well, we had 5 minutes left. I mean, 5 seconds left. Yeah, she ain't got no energy left. Can I get some chips? Some chips? Those are Ruffles? She's not gonna eat it. She's not even gonna eat it at lunch.
Okay. Yeah, I need to send you to nurse. Okay, if you're not going to eat, drink something to replenish your body, and get yourself some energy. You're gonna go to the nurse, because you ain't gonna pass out of it.
She threw up.
Well,
3 chips ain't gonna get it, you need some food.
Eat the whole bag. Eat the rest of it.
Okay, that's what you call a sugar high, quick energy. All right, you need something to sustain. You need to we need to eat food. You need lunch. You got lunch money?
No.
Okay, well, you can use my thing and eat lunch. And no is not an option. And if I have to sit you down in front of me and say that you eat food,
And put
I will do just that. Understand? Okay, but no is not an option. All right, so we're gonna need. Okay. All right, so we need to rotate. Station 4 is gonna go outside. Station 1, go to station 2, which is right behind you. All right, station 1, go to station 2. Station 4, come to station 1. Remember, what are you supposed to keep? What two
These are
things?
pencils.
The diffracting gradients and the pencil, the color pencil. Once you separate out your colors, you get your diffracting grating and your color pencils. Let's rotate.
We being recorded.
Okay. All right, so everybody should have their diffracting grating and their color pencils. Okay? Okay.
Jigga pop.
Station, all right. So you all will go outside. Remember not to look up at the sun. Okay. Yes. Anaya. Okay. Thank you. You looking out for her? So I expect her to do the same for you. Oh, Anaya, before you come back in and do what you need to, okay? Thank you, baby.
Okay.
You finished? You done did all four colors, all four screens? That's why I didn't say move.
Okay.
Do all four screens.
I finished. Over here. You gotta start that time.
Huh?
Start time. I go get the
I just want to try to get y'all set up.
Get your own.
Okay,
You bothering me.
go for it. What?
That's why we been out there for so long.
Go get it, boo.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Okay, so your station 2 involves what?
Paper in the box.
Let me have a deeper.
Here.
Hey. Do you know where the concert is?
Outside.
Station 2.
Right there. So as soon as you walk out those two doors.
Come back in.
What happened?
Yes, sir.
The reason why I came here to look at the concert is because I lost my phone.
All right, so that means I should check with you first. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's outside. Not that way.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I said the other way.
Okay. All right, so I put you all this way on that so you get less interference. And if you need to cover your head so that you get least interference.
I told you we was being recorded. Because remember she said she ain't recorded us last time. Not a little bit. Not all any camera. But she said, so good shoes. Okay, they don't know what I'm doing. I was thinking.
Y'all better come out fast.
Don't run outside so you can fall off these now.
So you want me to die?
No, I ain't say that, bro.
Guys, you want me to die?
Duh, that's what I'm saying.
No, this. Is she lighting the color?
She just did it. She did less. Like she shaded. Easy. Anaya look confused. Look, look confused. But that laptop hot. Yes. Yeah, I can hear the fan in the inside. Cookies. And it's lagging. Oh, there you go. It takes either 30 minutes to eat a bag of sugar. Yeah, I'm just this morning. Running out of time. Running out of time.
This is gonna do the same thing. This is gonna lighten me. Y'all, Miss Caesar is making me eat.
Out the door.
I don't want her to sit in front of me.
Girl, she said she gonna, if I gotta put the spoon in your mouth for you to eat it, you gonna eat.
I feel like this is gonna be out.
So now y'all back in already?
Yeah.
Me too.
their verifications, this is station one, excuse you all, station one, no move station one.
Let's see, but where our station at?
Huh?
You in the field station.
What you mean?
You switch, right?
No, we changed your iPad color.
It was on.
It was hot out there for us
I
too.
know you supposed to be back white. I didn't know.
You got a big bump on your ear. What happened?
Okay, what did I say about the diffracting gradient?
Pick it up on the side.
You're supposed to keep them, right? Okay, so I really shouldn't have any diffracting gradients in it. All right, so that's what you're gonna use at the next station. Station 3 is open, excuse me. Station 3 is open. So once you've done that, go to station 3.
What station is that?
5. You reading your paper? Who missing? Oh, that's right. Okay.
There's like 3 purples.
Where was the pencil go? You have your
Oh,
colors.
2 purple and like a light green, yellow, orange, and red.
Okay, then I say separate out the colors. So you should have 7 colors. What do you got?
What are rulers in the box? I got all of my chips, but not really one of them. Oh, Belle, can you get my drink from over there? Macaw, can you get my drink from over there? Throw it. Thank you.
You don't have 2 blues. 3 blues. Where's purple? What? Green.
We need another purple now. We need like a light purple.
What you doing? Oopsie daisy.
Anyways. They all feel about me every
Like, oh, orange, they came up. Indigo.
Yeah, I did all that and I still don't see no light purple.
And like,
Wait,
Do this?
so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Primary color. Okay.
Okay.
how many boxes is this?
Okay. Huh? What do you see in it? You're supposed to see, whatever it is you see, that's what you're supposed to hear. I'm not gonna tell you that. That's just experiment. You have to tell me what you see and show me and hold yourself, okay? So each one of us, you got one more to do. All right, thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
USA.
Where is the actual red?
Okay, what colors are we seeing? So this is the split. Okay. Okay, so you can see that color, I can see that color spectrum completely, and it's, what kind of shape is it?
Try to go to the next station.
That's all the colors.
Somebody
I don't see it, but- Okay,
I think it was purple, blue, green, and orange.
in that order. Is that the order?
I agree.
Oh.
Where you put it?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What up? What kind? Yeah, we're not greedy.
In the club, Bobby was my niggas go that Bobby.
Why don't you get your own set of colors, baby?
Which stuff in?
I said get your own set of colors.
Sir.
Okay. All right, so here, you got your, okay, you can't see that spectrum from out here. You get interference. You gotta be as far from that box as you possibly can to reduce the interference. Because if not, your spectrum is gonna be wrong.
This season guys go to another station.
Yes, ma'am. You're at 5, you should be one outside.
I'm purple.
That purple,
Oh,
and the gold.
Right, continue on the screen.
So if you got the right one,
Whatever it is.
I see you, but.
I was trying to say not something.
hello.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, have you seen the spectrum, baby girl? Okay, all right. All right, if your head isn't covering out the light that's on there, you're getting interference. That's why I put the hoodie on top, so you can cover your head and eliminate as much light as possible. Okay, didn't I say get those 7 colors out? So why you back in the color thing?
We do, they ready to. They mix together.
Thank you for being gentleman. No, you are not using that to color that on that, scratch up my screen. Oh, I ain't gonna make you stop percolating. Not at all. I might fuss a little bit, but I still gonna percolate. In the happy mode. Let me find my,
Miss Caesar.
yeah, both of you.
There's a blue line in front of the yellow system.
Right. There's a blue line that.
You know how line paper has 3 lines? Right here. You have violet, indigo, blue, green, and then you have yellow, but then it has 3 lines. Yellow, which makes it.
Okay. I would indicate that. The blood sugar can note and say.
Who
The
said
blue
something
line
about that?
written over it makes it green. I was gonna say that. That would be when you're talking about errors in your data. When you're talking about errors in your data, that would be one of the things that I would explain.
Gotta make sure I'm shaking
Use
this five
line paper.
What happened?
And that-
You can make some shape.
I'm sorry, how do you?
Neither, nice meet you.
She did, go. Okay. She wasn't in there?
She got mad so fast. When she got in, I just write it down.
Don't do me like that.
Right.
Don't do me like that.
What?
I wasn't ready. Don't do me like that tonight.
That's okay.
Yeah, I secondary for trust.
Let's get at least get 3 of them.
Oh, my bad. You see the shoe in there?
Well, then she should have said, Miss Caesar, she ain't in there.
Where's 3 at?
Ew. Oh, she said she went. Ew.
All right.
Dang, you can't.
Come on.
No. Somebody got an indigo?
Huh?
Indigo. Come on, take it back. My son needed
Well, you
one.
got all those colors, you only need 7.
Her colors in my hand too.
You only need 7.
They're her colors in my hand. I mean, in her hand. If that's what I'm
You
doing.
need 7, she needs 7.
I'm gonna get
You
it.
don't need to carry your 7, you carry your own 7. All right. Go ahead. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby girl. And you don't leave out of here till you. We gonna leave together.
Red orange.
Come on. We're leaving together, and I'm gonna call your mom and tell her. I'm gonna let her know. I love you. Ain't one here. That make no sense.
Remember she made me eat them peanuts in the Doritos.
Yes.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Be sure that the candle is all the way up in there, so you don't get this external influence. Okay. You're gonna go do another station now.
Red, orange, yellow, green,
Okay, bye.
purple. No, red.
All right, y'all ready? Y'all got it? All right. So, I guess what I did like is that I should have started you off at the station. Oh, no, I should. All right.
You see there? You great about paper? It's all the indigo, the purple, they might look
Well, make a note. You make a note on, and the note is not only for me, but for you as well, so that when you go back and look, you say, oh, okay, I had to make an adjustment. What's that?
Can you turn like this?
Y'all do it out?
No, it's up, it's just not up.
She's not percolating.
It's very flat, it's on the last.
Huh? I was told y'all don't be white.
Oh, wow.
I just did that because we was gonna make that. We just mark it out. I'm just doing that.
Okay, so like that, right?
1, 2, 3.
Outside, right? Okay.
I
Yeah.
only got 2.
Orange, green,
Excuse you.
You got one somewhere.
Oh, what's the incandescent light? But incandescent light. Hey, man, what you see right
Over here.
that?
That's station 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
2. Oh, that's station 2. All right. Okay, so put your finishing touches. Put your finishing touches and return your, return your diffracting gradients back to where we started.
where you got it from, Macabre?
Blow the light out. Blow the candle out.
Please make
Keep
have your grades up for Miss Jameson to check before he can.
Yeah. Don't get bit back. All right. All right. So what we'll do tomorrow, you'll wrap up your conclusion about what it is you've done. Yeah.
We haven't finished the thinking.
Can I staple these two together? Missy?
Yes, ma'am. You can staple them together.
Where you staple?
So that's my grade you sitting up there messing with. Okay. All right. Love you too. Okay.
My bad.